Hey guys, it's Monica back from Weaver Soap Company, and right now I am unboxing some micas that I got from Micas. I'm excited to see what's in here. Some nice pretty blue paper. I don't feel like there's anything in there. I got some little ones this time. It's been a long time since I've ordered micas from Micas. I've kind of just bebopped around with different companies, but I bought some little ones because I want to try them out in soap and see how much I like them. So I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong, but this is the grape Nihi. Can you see that? And this is a 1 ounce sample. These are really cute little packages. Like it. I like it so much more than the bags. Bags really irritate me because just when you try to seal it up, there's always stuff that like floofs up in there and makes such a mess. But they have a really cute label too. So, grape. Flash Dance. I think I used this before. I'm trying to think of which one. Maybe my black raspberry vanilla. Got some Flash Dance. Angry Rose. I think I've used this in my Applejack and Peel soap before. Alright. Another Flash Dance. I don't know if I did that unintentionally or what, but I got another Flash Dance. Alright. And I got an Itsy Bitsy Sexy Stranger on a Train. I got a tiny one of these because I rarely use this. Only when I make patchouli. I like to swirl that in with a nice green. Okay, and then I got Twilight to try this one too and see how this blue holds up there. So if I like it, I'm going to buy a lot bigger quantities. And I also got something that I've been trying to get for a while, but I haven't been able to because it sells out all the time. The Micas, I'm not sure how this flaps around here. What are we doing? Does it just go off to the side? Perhaps. Perhaps I have no clue what I'm doing. But I'm going to fill this up with glitter. And then when I want to mist, whoosh, 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 oh, I see, that's how it goes. I'm going to mist on top of my soap some glitter spray on there too, and then I won't have like a glitter nightmare. But they kind of sell out fast on the Micas site. What else? And it got here super fast. I'm in Wisconsin. This was from Florida to here. And it got here in 2 days. I was like, what? I just got like a notification like your order shipped, and then I got another notification that my order arrived. They always send these really cute little bags. I love their logo. It's super cute. And let's see what they put in there. Don't wait. There will never be a perfect time. You got that right. Get it done today, girl. Let's see. Just their little social media card, which is awesome. Want $5? Who doesn't? When you join Micas Buzz and post photos of your creations, we may select a shot to be featured in our Instagram feed. Yeah, buddy. If you agree, we'll tag you from the post and send you $5 to send in our store. I am on it, ladies. Let's see. We love connecting with you. We would like your comments. And vegan, cruelty-free, and ethical supply lines. Those are very important. Who doesn't love a little goodie packet, right? Micas Black Oyster Mica. Sweet. I'll definitely figure out a use for that. And candy. Yes! I'm on a diet, yo, so we don't have a lot of candy around this house, but that is just enough. Okay. And that is it for my Micas mini haul. I just wanted to get a couple little things here and not get too crazy. So I'm going to be making soap in the next couple of days, and I'll be using these. So thanks for watching. Alrighty, bye-bye.